In this video I'm going to tell you how to change language in Capcut, so please watch the full video and also give a like. This is pretty simple and easy, and I will tell you step by step, so don't miss any step and watch the full video. So let's get started. When you open Capcut app, then tap on the upper right corner menu on the setting menu. Now you can see here many options. Tap on the app language option above. Here you can see many languages like English, Espanol, Filipino, Bahasa, and many others. So you can choose your own language. So let's suppose I am choosing Chinese language here. So tap on Chinese language and then tap on done option above. You can see that Capcut language has changed to Chinese. I want to change it to English again. Tap on the setting menu again, and here tap on the upper option, and here tap on English and tap on done option above. It is written in Chinese. Now it has changed to English again. So this is pretty simple, and you can change it to your own language. Nowadays it supports only these languages, and if your own language is not available here, so you cannot change it to your language. So I hope you will like this video. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.